One day my friend gets pulled over and I'm in the back of his car. The officer says, I need to see everyone's IDs. And I give her IDs and he goes, Mr. Divelbiss, step out of the vehicle. And I'm like, okay, what did I do? And he's like, you know you just handed a police officer false identification? I was like, what are you talking about? I don't have any fake IDs. This is my license. This is my information. The officer goes, I don't want to hear about it, Zach. Tell it to the judge. I get to the prosecutor and she's like, Zach, I don't want to hear your story. You're here for the third time. Go and tell it to the judge. I represent myself at trial, a criminal trial for false identification. No jury, just the judge. And I'm like, okay, this judge is going to understand. I get through my spiel. I explain how this is mine. And the judge goes, bangs the gavel. Guilty. What happened, Judge? Can somebody explain to me what I did wrong? And the judge goes, well, Zach, wasn't your license suspended? I was like, yes, it was from the DUI, which is why I was sitting in the backseat of the car, not driving. And he goes, okay, but you handed the officer a driver's license. And I'm like, yeah, because that's what they gave you at the MVD. He's like, yeah, well, because that word driver's license is there instead of identification card, that's false. And I was like, oh my God, I just got bamboozled by the criminal legal system to fall into a trap here that I was committing a crime that I didn't even know was a crime. And so that's what really inspired me to go to law school. I want to help other people who get in trouble, make mistakes. There's nothing wrong with 5-minute mistakes. A lot of people make them. They have bad days, they have anger issues, you have, marital disputes, partner disputes, the stress at work, the stress at school, it all builds up and sometimes there's a breaking point. So we try and help people get back on track with that.